You need to hear this if you're a fitness enthusiast. Garmin's latest smartwatch is a game changer. Garmin has just launched the Vivoactive 6, and it's more than just a pretty face. This health and fitness smartwatch features a stunning AMOLED display and boasts a battery life of up to 11 days. That's almost 2 weeks of uninterrupted tracking. But it's not just about looks and longevity. The Vivoactive 6 is packed with features designed to help you understand and improve your well-being. From body battery energy monitoring to a sleep coach and over 80 preloaded sports apps, this watch has it all. Need guidance? Garmin Coach provides personalized running and strength training plans that adapt based on your performance and recovery. Plus, new daily suggested walking workouts and downloadable step-by-step workouts for strength training, HIIT, yoga, and Pilates make it easy to stay active. Whether you're walking, running, cycling, or swimming, the Vivoactive 6 is your ultimate fitness companion. Ready to elevate your health game? Garmin's Vivoactive 6 has got you covered.